All right, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to find the micro SD port on your GoPro Hero 13 Black, okay? So you're going to notice you got your lens, you got your GoPro here and your front screen. You got to go to the left. And you're going to see there's a door here. You see this little, basically that's a hinge there, and down here is this little lip. You see that? So to get to that lip, what you got to do is take your thumbnail and stick it in there. And what you're going to do is you're going to push against this when you put your other finger here, and it pops up. You see that? And then it opens up. And then if you can look in there, you can see there's the micro SD card. Whoops. Now if I take my fingernail and I push on it, it's spring loaded. Now watch what happens. See how it popped out? Now I reach in and I can pull it out of there. Now it's probably easier if I pull the battery out, but you don't have to. So if you look, this is a Sandisk Extreme 128 gigabyte card. So when you're putting it in, the back of the camera is here, and you put the logo forward and the gold back. And then you got to get it in the slot. You see the slot right there? Because you don't want to get it in between the battery and the body of the camera. So now I'm in there, and the way you can tell that you're in there is you can see that little springy action there. So if I push down on it, watch, it locks in. And then all I've got to do is close this and squeeze it. And bam, I'm ready to go, watertight. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on the GoPro 13 Hero Black. Peace out.